Alright, today's date is 7/11/22, Monday morning. I'm at 500 Nightingale Street, Dearborn, Michigan 48128. As you can see, we replaced the stack base, or not stack base, stack base here, because it had some leaks in it and potential, problems. So we went ahead and replaced it with 2 Ferncos and installed a Y. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the underground. They haven't looked at it in a while, so we want to take a look to see what it looks like here, and then we'll move over to the main clean out and take a look at the sewer going out. Alright, give me a second. I'll pause and have them flush the toilet upstairs real quick. As you can see here, looks like they did a repair under the floor here and replaced this cast iron with some PVC right here. As you can see, there's a branch to the left. I think that ties in the bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and check and see real quick and flush it. So as you can see, that was for the bathroom over next door behind me. That's where it ties in. It is holding a little bit of water right here. As you can see, it turns back in from here to cast iron. I will pull back a second here. I think that's for a floor drain, and put a centering guide on this so I can get a better visual. Alright, this is where the main clean out is. As you can see from the little Y going down right there. We also opened the clean out and looked down in it and found where the camera is. We're going to go ahead and proceed to go further, check out the outside line. Okay, as you can see, there's a bit of bearding of calcite right here. As you can see, this is where the 4-inch cast iron transitions from 4-inch cast iron to 6-inch clay. As you can see, there's some calcite buildup on the top right section right there. We're going to continue on. There is a main clean out in the front of the yard. I spoke to the homeowner, said that has been here since she moved in. Pause this real quick. Here's another set of some calcite buildup on the right and left side. It's not in the position of being obstructing at this time, but I would definitely recommend taking care of that at some point. There's another buildup of calcite on the right hand side, a little more down to the right. Potentially needs to be dealt with. Alright, we're at the city main. We're going to go ahead and pull back slowly. There is a little bit of calcite buildup on the top right and left corners on some of the joints through the clay. Would definitely recommend doing some jetting to, take care of the calcite. As I pull back, this is where it drops in at, right here. And it comes straight back. I didn't find any roots or any other issues potentially that could be a problem at this time.